when we're not talking about it, when we're not philosophizing about it, then there is just this happening, and we won't give it a name.
I do not believe the parents had anything to do with it. There's 3 spots of male DNA that doesn't match them. I think it may be someone who knows them.
Yeah.
But it's not. It wasn't. But why? The big question I have for that, see, I was a big fan of Loose Men. If you spent time with
I watched your TV.
But why they haven't done genetic genealogy? That familiar going through the family.
Right.
There's something off with this that they haven't done.
I hope it's
going to get solved in our lifetime.
Right?
Yeah.
Hello and welcome in to Constar Crime Scene. I've been to CrimeCon and Back Edition. In this episode, I will share with you some of the sights, scenes, and sounds from CrimeCon 2024 in the Music City, Nashville, Tennessee. In a later episode, I will deliver some of the details of my investigation while attending CrimeCon. I will cover the Paula Woodward and John Ramsey panel, which was titled Searching for Truth, John Ramsey's Fight for Answers. A lot of information that was put out by Woodward was suspect, so I'll break it all down in a soon-to-be-seen episode. I also attended the taping of Payne Lindsay's podcast, Talking to Death, where he sat down with Woodward and John Ramsey for an hour-long chat, which is now available to listen to across many of the podcast apps and channels. Take a listen and let me know what you think. CrimeCon 2024 was held at the beautiful Grand Gaylord Opryland Hotel in Nashville, Tennessee. 6,000 true crime fanatics showed up for the 3-day event to meet and greet their favorite true crime authors, podcasters, YouTubers, other media personalities, investigators, victims, heroes, and even the Mindhunter himself, Mr. John Douglas, who I got to meet and share a whiskey with, even if it was for a minute or so. More details coming in the next episode. I have to say though, experiencing CrimeCon is sort of surreal, and it led me to ask, where is the line between criminal and celebrity? Between author and antagonist? Or victim and villain? At CrimeCon, this line, wherever it stands, disappears almost entirely, deleted or ignored by the throng of 6,000 fans in attendance. Many in attendance came to see the no-nonsense Nancy Grace, the ever-busy Brian Enton, or the velvety voice of Vinnie Politan.
Ask for one. You deserve it. You deserve it. We've got ones that say Court TV, and we've got ones that say, oh, Julie Grant, pants on fire. Anyhow, we got a whole bunch of them.
Some came for the cults and the crime scenes. I was there mostly to investigate, always observing and analyzing in real time, some of which I will share in my next episode. For now though, sit back and enjoy, or analyze some of the sights, scenes, and sounds from my CrimeCon 2024.
CrimeCon presents to you criminal profiling pioneer, legendary special agent, and the Mindhunter, Mr. John Douglas.
On this one particular night, she got these things going in opposite directions. With such speed, one of them flew off into the light. I got her.
right in front of him, right there, right then. So that gives you 10 minutes between living and dying, according to him.
Testimony. Okay, a few hands. I mean, you can watch my coverage on Crime Analyst YouTube. I've been breaking it down, and I know Matt has some thoughts on Dr. Michael Barton's testimony, which for me